Hello, guys, and welcome back to the last session of the Facebook Ads workshop. And in today's session, I'm going to be walking you through a case study. Okay, how I was able to hack the Facebook Ads policy and run an ad for a health client. Okay, how you can constructively run ads for health niches, multi-level marketing, and affiliate sites. So once I want you to understand is this: running ads for these niches here are not really very allowed. Okay, so you have to find a constructive way, a constructive approach to go through it. But first and foremost, I would like you to go through the Facebook ads policy. Okay, it's very necessary you understand their policy. So I would have said it towards the beginning of the class. So just go to policy dot facebook.com. So you go to their policy page, just type Facebook policies. Just put Facebook policy ads. Okay. I think it's facebook.com/policies. Yeah, /policies. Okay, so just go through their advertising policies. Just go through the advertising policies and make sure you understand it and just know the type of ads to run and the type of ads not to run. Okay, sexually suggestive content, personal attributes, and the rest. Those ads are not easily allowed. Okay, now it's going to be a constructive how I did it, the process and everything I arrived at. Okay, so now what I did was she was running ads for a health product. So we are promoting a health product, but I tried to find a way around it. I tried a couple of times to run the ad, but it didn't go through. So what I did was, okay, let's go back to Ads Manager. So what I did was this, okay. I already had a landing page where I was sending the traffic to. But even if you don't have a website, even if you don't have a landing page, you can still make that happen, okay? So let's take, for instance, so I'm not going to be really creating this ad. I'm just going to use it to show you some stuffs. So let's use traffic. Okay, so let's use traffic. So what I did was I was sending, let me make a little illustration. So I was sending the ads, okay, so I thought about it from Facebook ads. I send the traffic from Facebook ads. I send the traffic to Messenger, and then Messenger there is a bot that will be replying their messages. So the Messenger bot I used was from SendPulse. So you can go with this same format, okay? So you just set up automated responses with SendPulse. So now when someone clicks through your ads, there's going to be a send message button. So let's just quickly go to the ad set where we set it up. Okay, no, it's in the ad level. We set the destination. Let me check. So this is in the ad sets. So we'll be sending the traffic to Messenger. Okay. So we're sending the traffic to Messenger. So automatically now our ad is going to have a send message button. You see, so our ad is going to have this send message button. Now, when someone comes across our ad, let me choose page. So now when someone comes across our ad, it's going to ask them to send a message. So from here now, you can create a new conversation and preview the message to see how the conversation is looking, or you can use existing conversations. Let's say you've used this type of ad, you've done this type of ads before. Okay. But now we're not going to be going over that. So, but anytime, any call to action button you use, when someone clicks it, the person is going to be sending us a message. It's going to be directed to open their messenger. Now, when they open their messenger, you must have had. So, where's the sequence? So, when they open their messenger, you must have already connected your page to SendPulse. And when you connect your page to SendPulse, already you have buttons that they will need to click. So you're going to have to write a lot of stuff. Everything, maybe things you write on your landing page, you might decide to carry it all to Messenger. So now when you're sending the only thing you need to do is this: make sure your ad creative and your ad copy doesn't violate any of Facebook's policies. Okay, make sure your ad copy and your creative doesn't violate any of their policies, because that's where your ad will get disabled. But if it doesn't violate any of their policies, or just make sure it doesn't violate their policy, but it's still passing the same message across to your target audience. Make sure your target audience understands. Make sure that at least they clearly understand the message you're trying to pass to them, but still in the same way that it doesn't violate Facebook's messenger. Okay, Facebook ad policy. Okay, so now you send them from your ads to Messenger instead of sending them to a landing page, because Facebook also accesses your landing page to see the type of copy you have, but they don't access your Messenger to read your messages or the message your clients are replying. I hope you get the point, but they access your landing page to make sure it has the same copy and is relative to what you're talking about in your ad copy. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Now you will sending them from Facebook ads to Messenger and from Messenger to SendPulse. It might not really be SendPulse. You can be using another Facebook bot provider. Let's search for another messenger bot. Search for messenger bots. So there are a lot of bots here. Okay, ManyChat. You can be using ManyChat, but I think ManyChat, most of their doesn't really have that much customization. So I actually at some point prefer SendPulse. Okay, SendPulse. You just go to SendPulse and create an account. SendPulse.ng. You register, and then you can then access their chatbot. So just register. I want to show you how to do it. Okay. So I already have an account with them. I'm just going to quickly just click the try for free and then proceed to register. Okay. So now, all right. So this is the backend. This is like all these stuff are just to make sure they send us personalized ads. Okay. So this is the backend of the SendPulse. It's a SaaS actually. It's a SaaS. And so from Facebook ads, we must have already set up our Facebook ads. It's running already, and then the destination should be Messenger. Okay, the ad destination should be Messenger, and then in Messenger we must have connected our Messenger with this bot. So here is how to connect your chatbot to your SendPulse chatbot to Messenger. So you come to chatbots here. I'm having a network error. All right, so I had a network issue. Okay, so you can, from here, you connect channels, okay? So what we want to connect is, we want to connect it to a Facebook page. So you can sign in with Facebook and connect it to a page. So we want to connect it to our page. You can manage and access Facebook conversations in Messenger. Show a list of the pages you manage and access your pages messaging. All right, done. Okay, you've now linked send post to Facebook, okay? Okay, there's another Facebook account already connected to my profile. So I was working, check. Check the main. Let me check. Service settings. Want to check where I've actually forgotten my way around this stuff. Okay, but the thing is, you connect your page just as we did earlier before now. Okay, February 15th. You just connect, go to the chatbot sections because it's a chatbot you are working with. So and make sure you connect your page just as we did. Okay, you connect your page and then proceed. Okay, yeah. No, I've seen it. You are logged in as. So I can unlink this Facebook account. Let me enable it. So you just. Okay, so if you want to enable it, you have to copy this code and then start in Messenger. So you then copy this code and send to your Messenger. So as you can see, okay, this was the previous one I did before. Right, it's already connected. Okay, it's connected. All right, so the thing is this now. So there are standard replies, and you can set up a welcome message. Okay, so when someone messages you, when someone sends a message to your page, you can set the triggers. Okay, so the triggers I have here, the keyword, you can from here now create a new trigger. Okay, you can set up keywords, trigger the flow on receiving a text message from a subscriber. Okay, so you can put the keyword. So maybe when someone says hi to your page, hello, how much? Or when someone says, I'm interested, how do I go? I want to learn more, all those stuffs. Those, the messages people send frequently to your page, you put it here as a keyword. So anytime the person sends that message, it triggers one of the replies you must have set up. Okay. So let's say when someone says, these are the keywords I set up. When someone sends hi, hello, good morning, hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, please, I want, can you tell me more, learn more? So anytime, any keyword at all, any message that someone sends that has any of these keywords is going to trigger this flow. Okay. So it's going to be like, hello, the bot is going to be like, hello, thanks for showing interest in our stem cell therapy, blah, blah, blah. And then there's also a button here. So all these stuffs are very, very editable. So let's go to edit flow. So load the draft. Okay, so this, you can set up a new message. Let's say I want to write a new message, and then when you're done, you can connect it. Let's say you want to write a new message, and when you're done, you can connect it to another flow just by dragging from one to another, and then it's connected. And you can drag to this one too, then connect to this one. Okay. So we're not going to be using this flow. I just wanted to show. And then, so what this flow does is this. So now, this is a start message. So when someone uses any of these keywords, this message starts. And I also added a button. So you can, this is where you add the button. So I also added a button. You can add another button. Let's say they don't want to learn more, they can cancel. If the person clicks cancel, do you want to continue the flow? Do you want to send them to a payment page? Do you want them, so people can also actually make payments here on Messenger. Okay, so when someone, so you can enable payment methods, and so let's say you can actually sell something directly on your Messenger using this send pulse, using this Messenger chatbot. Okay, so you can, maybe, so when someone wants to learn more, and then when they you when someone wants to learn more, okay, it takes them to the website I had already put. So it takes them to this URL, or if they cancel, it can continue the flow. Let's say continue the flow. So we can decide to continue the flow, or when they just say cancel, it just ends there. Do you get the point now? Or when they say learn more, it takes them to the website. When they say cancel, it just ends the flow. Or we can decide to continue the flow to something else. Do you get the point? Now, so if this message is sent to this person and this person doesn't click anything, or if this person clicks either the learn more or cancel, still after 5 minutes, that's why I added this pause. Now, after 5 minutes, okay, after 5 minutes of this message getting to this person is going to get another message, and this is the message. Hi, you can also as well message us, blah, 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 on WhatsApp, and this is a button to send them to WhatsApp. So this is just how the flow works. Okay, so you can use this is just chatbot marketing, and this was the same way I used for my clients to like pass the Facebook ads policy. Okay, so this is the same way you can use to sell your MLM products, your affiliate products. So if you want to sell affiliate products, just make sure, just write a little text, then you can send the traffic through this learn more button to your affiliate site, like straight up affiliate site. Facebook is not going to go through to see your affiliate site if it's a send message button, okay, that you're using with your ad. They won't go through to go and see your affiliate site. So the person coming to your website that's going to come through, and when this send bot replies, the person is going to go over to your website and access the information you have done, probably make a purchase. Or if you are selling a product and you want to sell it directly on Messenger, you can from here set up everything and also set up your payments so that people can also make payments with you here on Messenger. Just as simple as that. So these are different actions. So you can choose an action. So when someone says cancel, what action does it trigger? It's, let's say, unsubscribe the person from the bot. All right, so that's the action. When someone says cancel, we unsubscribe them from the bot. Okay, you can use this to filter. You can request access from another API. Okay, you can, let's say, request access from different data, but that's more advanced. Okay, that's more advanced, and then you need to upgrade plan to use it. Okay, so that's more advanced. Let's quickly delete. Let's quickly delete it. Okay, so, and this is a pause, and this is the same post we have used here. So this is the pause, continue flow if inactive, or you can just continue it always. So anytime after this message comes, then a delay of 5 minutes, then another message pops up to the same person. It works like magic. Okay, it works like magic. This is automation. This is just like automation marketing. It works like magic. Then you can drag flow. Okay, let's say you want to start another flow. You can choose a flow that you want to start with. Let's say this same flow. Let's say the person says another good morning, blah blah blah. It starts another flow. Okay, so that's that about. I quickly delete it. So this is just as simple as I made it. You can make yours more complex, and navigating through this stuff is very, very easy. Just if you want to type a message, just drag the message and put it on the dashboard here and set it up. And when you're done, you can connect it with the flow you want. Let's say you want to drag this one. So what this does is when someone, this message now, after 5 minutes, this pause now. So after 5 minutes, another message comes in. Then this cancel is connected to this unsubscribe flow. So when someone clicks the cancel button, the unsubscribe, it unsubscribes them from the bot. So let's quickly save and test out what. Okay, this box is selected, so let's just delete it. We don't need it. Okay, so let's quickly save this. And then let's go back to our messenger bot or messenger, and then let's say hi. All right, so the same message pops up. Hello, thanks for showing interest in our stem cell, blah, blah, blah. If you click the learn more button, it's going to visit the website that the URL we added to this stuff. Or if we click cancel, we'll get unsubscribed from the bot automatically. We've been unsubscribed. So there's no more message that we're going to get. Okay, let me check. Let me check how the flow goes. So cancel, we've been unsubscribed from the bot. All right, so we're not going to get any more flows. Okay, we're not going to get any more flows. We've been unsubscribed from the bot. So just as simple as that, you set it up. Facebook is not going to, just as I've told you, Facebook is not going to track what's happening on your messenger. So once you just, this one is the bot that is doing it. Okay, very funny. Just make sure you set up everything well. So once just come here, once you come to the send message call to action button, once it's the send message button, that let me choose something so just see it clearly. Okay, so this is how our ad is going to look like with a send message button. Okay, chat in messenger with the send message button. So when someone clicks it, it opens their messenger, and then they can send a message to our bot. So when they send a message to the bot is already there. It replies and then gets all the relevant information, carries them through all the process, and then they can cancel and the rest. Okay, so that's that about the flow I used. This is just the case study how I used it for a client. and then it performed really, really, really well. So you too, just go out there, try it out, stop fearing Facebook, stop fearing that Facebook is going to ban your account, blah blah blah. Actually, before I arrived at this, I have already spent a lot of accounts. Okay, I had an account with huge funds in it, and it got disabled because I was running ads for um a niche that wasn't supported. Okay, that was when I actually started out. So I was running ads for a health niche, and then it got disabled. Was it? Oh yeah, yeah. It was an affiliate. It was a multi-level marketing niche. Okay, then it got disabled. So just make sure you're also following up, and make sure your ad creative and the copy just follows through with their policy. It doesn't violate their policy, then your ad is going to be a go. Okay. So once you just that send message button in your messenger, just arrange everything here in send pause, and your ad is going to be a go. All right. So thank you so much. And this brings us to the end of this. So I'm going to just quickly guide you on the bonus section, everything you're going to get, and the resources page that will be on the website, so you can access everything, both the tutorial videos and the bonuses. Okay. So thank you so much, and to have a great day.